Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, you basically want to automate emails, SMS campaigns, and maybe customer follow apps. Connection your Shopify to Klaviyo is essential. So in today's small tutorial, I'll make sure to show you how to connect your Shopify account to Klaviyo in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, we're gonna start first by you opening your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet. Go all the way to Klaviyo here or klaviyo.com. You should, as usual, start by signing up or put your email address, then tap on sign up. After this, we're gonna go back to your Shopify account or Shopify store here. Go all the way to this apps area, tap on apps. You will be having a lot of options here. Now, if you can see the app here, go all the way to Shopify App Store, so you can basically look for it. Since we want to install the Klaviyo app in Shopify, so we're gonna go and look for Klaviyo. Okay, for example, Klaviyo email marketing and SMS here. You're just gonna tap, okay, this one, then tap on install. After this, authorize access to your Shopify store, enable the data sync as usual, orders, customers, and even products will synchronize automatically. Then check the integration settings. Make sure email and SMS tracking are enabled. Then create a test flow, test basically an abundant cart or even a welcome email. Then verify the info in the Klaviyo dashboard. Confirm your Shopify data is updated correctly. And that's basically it. So thank you all for watching and I will see you in the next video.